Hello, this is Nancy. Today our topic is Nature, a Personal Reality, Chapter 3. We start with the beginning page 37. Ideas have an electromagnetic realities. Believe all strong ideas about the nature of realities. Ideas generate emotions. The ego, while a portion of the whole self, can be defined as a psychological structure composed of characteristics belonging to the personality as a whole, organized together to form a service identity. It permits many more potential to emerge than would otherwise be possible. If ego is the most physical-oriented portions of your inner self, but it is not, however, apart from your inner self. It sits on the windowsill, so to speak, between you and the exterior world. It can also look in both directions. It makes judgment about the nature of realities in relationship to its and your needs. All you have to do is to decide to examine the contents of your conscious mind, realizing that it contains treasures that you have overlooked. The ego, which must manipulate most directly with the everyday world, takes time, clock time, quite seriously. Even the ego recognizes to some extent that clock time is a convention, but it does not like such convention broken. It will often neglect any clairvoyance or precognitive materials that come into the conscious mind from the deeper portion of the self. It is the core belief which is strong enough to so focus your perception that you perceive from the physical world only those events that correlate with it. It is also the strength of the core belief that draws up from the vast banks of the inner knowledge only those events that seem to fit within its organization. So on page 48, the truth is then that you form your reality directly. You react consciously and unconsciously to your beliefs. You collect from the physical universe and the interior one data that seems to correlate with your beliefs. Believe then that you are being unlimited by nature's born into flesh to materialize as best as you can the great joy and spontaneity of your nature. On page 51, you may occasionally employ the association of ideas, one thoughts leading easily to another. When you do this, you often perceive new insights. On page 55, imagination also plays an important part in your subjective life as it gives mobility to your beliefs. The proper use of imagination can then propel ideas in the directions of your desires. Here is the end of Chapter 3. We'll see you later.